In this video, you'll learn how to delete a listing from eBay. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to successfully remove an item from your seller dashboard, ensuring it is no longer visible to buyers. Begin by logging into your eBay seller account. Once you have accessed the seller dashboard, navigate to the section labeled Active Listings. Here you will see a list of all currently active items. Identify the specific item you wish to delete by confirming that the listing title and price match the correct item you want to remove. It is important to check that the item has no active bids or sales, as this will affect your ability to delete the listing. After identifying the correct listing, select it to edit. This action will open the details of the listing, allowing you to make changes. Once the listing is open, look for the option labeled End Listing within the listing tools. Clicking this option will prompt you to choose a reason for ending the listing if required. Select the appropriate reason from the available options to proceed with the deletion process. Once you have chosen a reason, confirm your selection to finalize the action. After this step, wait for a confirmation message indicating that the listing has been successfully ended. You should ensure that the listing disappears from your active list, as ending the listing removes it from the marketplace and makes it unavailable for purchase. Next, refresh your listings page to verify that the item has been removed. You can search for the item's title in the search bar to confirm its absence. Additionally, check the Ended Listings folder, as it may provide a record of the listing if you need to relist it in the future. This verification step is crucial to ensure that the item is no longer available to buyers. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.